In a riveting twist of fate, former President Donald Trump's recent verbal assault on special counsel Jack Smith has boomeranged spectacularly, leaving the American public dumbfounded. As the nation celebrated Independence Day, Trump seized the opportunity to unleash a scorching diatribe against Smith, branding him a deranged Biden prosecutor and mocking his track record of courtroom defeats. Yet, in a breathtaking turn of events, Trump's own legal team unintentionally stumbled upon a trove of incriminating evidence that has sent shockwaves through the nation. While attempting to undermine Smith's investigation into the handling of classified documents at Mar-a-Lago, Trump's attorneys inadvertently unveiled documents that lend credence to some of the allegations leveled against the former president. This astonishing revelation unfolded during a hastily arranged press conference, where Trump's legal team aimed to dismantle Smith's ongoing probe. However, their ill-fated attempt to discredit the special counsel ended up exposing damning information that has left the public reeling. As Trump's chief advocate unveiled what they professed to be exonerating proof, sharp-eyed journalists caught sight of numerous pages of previously unseen papers that appeared to contradict the former president's public declarations. Among the most astonishing revelations was a memorandum seemingly penned by Trump himself, acknowledging his cognizance of the delicate nature of certain documents in his possession subsequent to his departure from office. This memorandum, dated several months after Trump's exit from the White House, seems to depict the former president deliberating strategies to retain specific classified materials, despite entreaties from the National Archives for their restitution. Legal scholars wasted no time in highlighting that this memorandum could potentially serve as a smoking gun in the ongoing investigation, furnishing the sought-after evidence of intent that prosecutors have been relentlessly pursuing. Adding to the theatricality, the inadvertent disclosure also encompassed correspondence between Trump and his inner circle, discussing methods to impede the Justice Department's endeavors to reclaim the documents. If these messages are proven to be genuine, they could greatly strengthen the allegations of obstructing justice that have been swirling around the ex-president. As word of the accidental leak spread, social media exploded with reactions from both Trump supporters and critics, with the hashtag #TrumpBoomerang trending across the nation. Political experts couldn't help but notice the irony of Trump's attack on Smith backfiring so spectacularly. One commentator wryly observed, "By trying to portray Smith as inept, Trump's team has unwittingly handed him a treasure trove of evidence on a silver platter." The White House, sticking to its policy of not commenting on ongoing investigations, remained silent on the matter. However, insiders close to the administration reported a sense of vindication among staff members. Meanwhile, Jack Smith's office released a brief statement acknowledging the receipt of the new information and assuring a thorough examination of its contents. Legal scholars are now engaged in a heated debate over the admissibility of these accidentally revealed documents, given the peculiar circumstances of their disclosure. Some argue that since Trump's own legal team voluntarily presented the documents, albeit unintentionally, they may be fair game for prosecutors. Some argue that the accidental nature of the disclosure could serve as a basis for Trump's lawyers to contest their use in any potential legal proceedings. Regardless of their ultimate admissibility, the documents have already had a profound impact on public sentiment, as polls indicate a sharp decline in support for Trump among independent voters. The former president, renowned for his extensive use of social media, has been unusually silent since the disastrous press conference, with his latest post simply stating, "Witch hunt." Trump's allies in Congress have been frantically attempting to contain the fallout, with some demanding an investigation into how the sensitive documents were mishandled by the legal team. Others have sought to diminish the significance of the revelations, suggesting that the documents may have been planted or concocted by Trump's adversaries. Nevertheless, doubts have arisen regarding the credibility of these assertions, as they were put forth by Trump's personal legal representatives during their public address. This occurrence has not only sparked renewed discussions about Trump's suitability for the position of president, but also provided critics with ammunition to argue that his disorganized legal defense is indicative of